it's Liberty from My Pen Addiction, and today I am in Boulder City at the Fisher Space Pen Factory. Christy, the social media coordinator, was so nice and helpful. Hi everyone, it's Liberty from My Pen Addiction, and today I have a very special video. So if you do not know, this video is happening on October 26th, which is a holiday. It is Nevada Day. Now Fisher Space Pen is a Nevada-based company, hence why I'm doing it on Nevada Day. I went to their factory in Boulder City and was greeted by a lot of pens. So I will insert some pictures and videos. But here's what they gave me. Great customer service. Cute little factory. It's not open very long, but I really like it. So cool. So here's a pencil. Here's the pen box. Here's a business card. I got a refill that they threw in, some stickers, a patch, all that stuff. So I'm very excited to show you guys. So I'm super excited, and I'm so happy that they were so nice and helpful. They told me, I told them about my pen addiction, and the guy went back and got the social media coordinator who was so nice, and she followed me on Instagram, which you should too, at My Pen Addiction, and they were just so nice and friendly. And they said, I know they couldn't do much, but they did throw in a special refill. So this refill is in silver, which is very cool because I've never heard of that, and it can write upside down and underwater. So this is the main event. So here's the package. It's very cool, very sleek, very nice, and it has all the information. Now I'm gonna read to you a little bit about the Fisher Space Pen. So this pen, it tells it's been out since 1945. They have a sealed pressured ink cartridge which lets you do it underwater at any angle, even upside down. And it writes in the extreme cold and extreme heat. And this was used by NASA on space flights and is still today. So it's got a lot of backing, and yeah, it's been all over. So they have so many different ones. Like, they're very just interesting, the setup and the design. So it came in this cool plastic hard case, and it's just so pretty with a very nice thing like that. And then it has the Fisher Space Pen astronaut stuff on the back, which, if you take this out, is their guarantee. If you're not satisfied, please return for a replacement. And then it talks about all the different colors and how to replace it and all that stuff, which is cool. And there's a lot, if you can't tell, there's a lot of science that goes into this. So it's very cool. Again, I love this tin. It's so nice, and it does say Fisher Space Pen on the corner. Very nice. I did get a matte black pen because I love matte black. It's one of my favorite shades. It is completely matte black. Very nice, very sturdy. But you open it and it is gold. So I thought that was a nice touch. And so it looks short, right? Yeah, it looks very short. But you attach, it's made to attach the back. So then you have a full-size pen. So it goes from literally pocket-sized to full-sized. And I love it. And it's gripped right here, so it doesn't really slide, which is very nice. And I will show you guys the pencil. Now, this can be ordered online and on Amazon. Let's get into the inner workings of the pen just for a second. So you twist everything off and you can see the pressurized pen. It looks very different, and it does have, they'll refill it if you send $5 to Fisher Space Pen. This did come with black ink. You could choose whatever type of ink you wanted them to put in the pen first. They had so many different colors and so many different options, and I do plan on doing maybe a pen a year from here. Tell me, comment down below if you like these pens, if you've heard of them, all this information that you have about them. I'd like to know. So they have blue, red, green, black, silver, burgundy, purple, brown, turquoise. In medium, fine, and bold. So you know what? I think I'm going to buy all those at some point, so I can try them all, because you could get one pen and change them out, which is nice. So let's get us started. We're gonna do cardstock and printer paper because we're cool here. So this paper did get a little messed up, don't hate. So we're gonna do this pen. I'm gonna just tell you the performance and how it works, and we're gonna write Fisher. Okay, it's very smooth, minimal skipping, which is nice. It really feels very smooth. I'm not even kidding, like nothing. And it does smudge. I'm gonna say that, but there is no claims to this pen that it doesn't. So the lighter you press, it really doesn't matter. I don't see the smudging mattering. I think it's just where the ink gathers is where it smudges the most. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, it's almost, so I'd say 15 to 20 seconds, which I feel like this is more the pen that you're gonna be like, here's my signature, like here you go. That's what I feel this is gonna be for, but we're gonna check. So that's 15 seconds. Yeah, it's 15 and it's dry. So that's nice. I mean, it's longer, but I feel like it's the pen itself that we're looking at more than the, you know, dry time, because there's no claims. It's literally, it claims it can be drawn on underwater. And I vaguely remember a long time ago they sold, or no, they still do, but they sold these in Office Depot and I purchased one. And I remember grabbing a bowl from the kitchen, drenching some paper in water, and it worked. I remember vividly. Oh, this writes so nice on here. And I'm pressing pretty good, but it doesn't seem, okay, it did smudge still, but like this is lighter. So the darker or the harder you push doesn't make it like smudge sooner or later, but it does the boldness of the line. So this is F pressing hard and F pressing, so it's very variable, which is nice. You can really vary your lines. That's nice. So we're gonna try 15, or we're gonna try 10 seconds first. It did smudge. Yeah, 15 on both. So a little bit, but it's a nice pen. I still like it. The design is nice. You're supporting a local, small, family-run, all handmade company, which I totally believe in. And yeah, let's try out this silver one. Let's see, how do we put this in? If we're not satisfied, you return it. They're very nice about, like, if you're not satisfied with anything, we will fix it for you, you know? which I think is nice. They do have an Instagram. I will put it in the description box so you guys can check them out. Again, follow me on Instagram at mypenaddiction to see all my pen reviews, because you don't want to miss out like that, because it really takes a toll on you, you know? When you miss one video and you're like, that's gorgeous. I love it. Great. That's perfect. I love it. Okay, well, that's cool. So actually, I'm not going to put it in the pen because I'm not ready to. But I love it. Love both. Great, great products. Definitely will be ordering again. Definitely purchasing again. So thank you all for watching. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, press that notification bell. Comment down below what pens or writing instruments you want me to review. And follow me on Instagram at mypenaddiction. Bye.